There are some features of Ford Transit vans that make them better for van life. If you are building a custom order or looking at used vans, keep these in mind. First, having a grab bar feels silly, but after a lift kit and bigger tires, our step up ended up being over 24 inches, which is really difficult over time. One of the cheap DIY additions we recommend for all camper vans is a headliner shelf. However, in Ford Transits, you can only do this if you have the factory overhead console. Without it, there is nowhere to mount the brackets. The standard Ford Transit doors open like this, but you can also upgrade to the 270 doors. These aren't necessary, but we have found them super helpful at campsites to get the doors out of the way and for the van build process. This CarPlay is what comes when you order the Sync 4 instead of Sync 3. It might seem extra, but when your life is a constant drive, our CarPlay is pretty cool. And lastly, we recommend just getting the standard seats so you can add swivels to them. Some of the power seats make it really hard, if not impossible, to add swivels. I'll drop some additional considerations below. Be sure to save this for your DIY van build planning.